What pains me, what pains me is that he is scared. I don't think he will ever come back to Uganda. If this young man received his treatment and the brain he has, I strongly doubt whether we will have the courage of coming back to Uganda. Maybe I will go after his recovery and convince him. This is what is pains me. Fortunately, I have the air ticket. I have the welfare. What I need when you go to the American embassy, they will ask you which hospital. Candy Ho. I will continue calling your name. Kill me, but I'm going to impose the sanction. You will never travel. Your accounts are going to be imposing of Vitunzi. I will never forgive Candy Ho. Jika was influenced by Candy Ho. Katulebe, Katulebe. Even if Museveni calls me, that good was abusing Museveni yesterday. And his Agina Emima, leadership lives, Alingenko, a baboon. Behind the baboon, the chichoke. Yeah, I knew. She may Basaja come. But was sent, Kandi have was sent. Basaja Mivuli.
Baniriza nateera mu kitundu kyaffe kino ekirala ekya programu yammwe nganze eyitibwa Political Dose. Yenze Kanka Kapita, nze producer wa programu zino ku TMO, nze gwawulira Mabega kuba nze presenter. Lwaleero nzize kukola ne mutabani wa Mole n'amatovu mirundi ekitundu kyaffe kino ekirala ekya Political Dose naye nga munyiikaavu n'amazigo obwedda gamuyitamu. Buli munnayuganda yenna ayagala ogenda ebweru okukola ng'oyagala omulimu ogwegasa nababuulira dda kolaganira wamu ne Tiger Sharif. Tiger Sharif ayina ettendekero eriyitibwa Roast Coffee Academy. Roast Coffee Academy ettendekero liri Abu Dhabi mu United Arab Emirates okuliraana Al Wahda Mall ku luguudo oludda ku kisaawe bagiyita Airport Road. Okufuna ku kasenta akeegasa ng'ogenze kukola bweru weetaagisaamu obukugu skills. Genda akuyigirize barista skills, akuyigirize latte art skills, manual brewing skills, coffee roasting, coffee profiling, n'ebintu bingi nnyo ebikwatagana ku coffee. Ate nga Tiger Sharif ne banna aba Roast Coffee Academy baba nga bwe bakuyigiriza bakuyambako n'ofuna omulimu. Gwali mu Uganda ngera naawe oyagala okukola ebweru kuba ku namba za Tiger Sharif ezo zikoppeko omubuuze nti Tiger Sharif onzija otya mu Uganda n'omala okuntendeka ate bumala okuntendeka n'onfunira omulimu beba Roast Coffee Academy. Nina obubaka bw'abasuubuzi abateekateeka okuba abasuubuzi nammwe abaasuubula ne bigaana. Ekibalemesezza okusuubula nti ebintu ebitundibwa e Uganda ebisinga biva China. Naye mujja ne mubeeraawo nga okusuubula China ne kubafuukira obuzibu. Oyagala okwetuukira tomanyi Shanghai, tomanyi Shenzhen, tomanyi Guangzhou, tolina ky'omanyi mu China. Ate ng'oyagala okusuubulayo ne bakubba. Ne bakusasuza empapula, ne bakuggyako ez'okutikka, ne bakuggyako ez'okupaakinga, emisolo ne bagirinnyisa, ne bakuggyako buli kimu nga kya bbeeyi. Kasamitala Cargo and Logistics Company. Company eri mu Uganda ne China. Erina office wano mu Uganda. Office yo mu Uganda eri ku Capital Center Kampala, opposite New Tax Park. Ate ye China eri mu Guangzhou Bayun District. Ojja kusobola okubanga obasanga ku Zoom Gang Road mu China. Company eno yekyasinze okusaabaza ebintu. Kubitambuza. Si kubitambuza kubigula mu maduuka. Okuwa omuwendo gwa company gwennyini. Beba kyasinze okujjako omuwendo ogusinga okubeera omutono ennyo nga bakuleetera ebintu mu ggwanga Uganda. Kasamitala Cargo and Logistics Company balina namba z'amasimu z'olaba kalango kano. Bebasinga. Kakati oba oyina supply oba tolina bakufunira supply oba tolina. Bw'oba oyina owuwo ogenda ku office obabuulire supply yo. Basasule nga basinzira wano mu ggwanga Uganda, basasule ssente ne zituuke China. Ate ebintu byo ne bijja wano mu Kampala oba ku dduuka lyo mu Uganda ne bijjira mu nnaku 3 mpaka ku nnaku nga 5 ba 7 tekisukka waawo. Mu bunaku buli obweyongeramu byo bijjira mu nnaku 3 ku nnyonyi naye obunaku obweyongeramu kuba kusasula musolo gwa ggwanga Uganda. kakati gwali China ng'olina byagala okuweereza ate mu Uganda, genda ku Zoom Gang Road kugwa Mwanzu Bayun District oba wetegereze namba ezenkutedeko ezi China uyogerako nabo. Ate asuubule China kuluna n'abaani anti kasamitali ebireeta ate ebikusuubuliza ate ebyenoonyeza n'ekuwa omuwendo gwa kampuni. Ne bw'oba oyagala namba za kampuni kuzikuwa gw'oyogere n'aba kampuni bakubulire ebbeeyi gye bigula era bakikola. They connect you, they transport, they park, they do everything. Kakati kasamitala ye kampuni gye nkugambye emiwendo tukubireko ngikubuulire.
Buli batubeera wano abantu batubuuza Junior. Junior baamukuba nnyo. Junior was battered. Ayina n'okufuna problem. Baamukuba ebigala by'emmundu. Manyi baagajjamu. I'm seeking treatment in the United States. And so far, because I don't come from a poor family, and I have many allies, including in the government, I think we shall get an air ticket. We can also contribute for his treatment. But what we want now is to identify a hospital. Want a hospital? Amanyo ge bajja kuddamu bagajje ku bibuno bagala ayinenge. This is the Imbalu is very scared. After 14 days I met him, very scared, and he was disappointed by one of the goons. That goon was abusing Museveni yesterday, and he's leadership leaves alingenkubi. A baboon behind the baboon, the chuchoke.
Yeah, I knew.
She may Basaja come. But was sent, can't you have was sent?
Basaja Mivuli.
Let me tell you, me am not at times I'm emotional, but I'm a high intelligent man. Many people don't know the technology I have. They don't know that I'm a highly technological man. My wife survived, the mother of this Tamale survived. People were killing the women. She referred the telephone number of a man,
Amazi.
The telephone number is still operating. One day, I will reveal to you the owner, the actual owner of that number. After that, getting that number, I put it in my machines. I can produce with my machines all your communication with the audio conversations for a year. The machines I have.
When you continue using it?
No. The history.
Hey, the call history.
I retrieve the audio, all the conversations you made in here, all the people you talked to in here, the duration of the conversation in here. So I know who we are talking to these people. In fact, those who were killing women, they had an account in one of the European banks, $7 million. They had a non-government organization that was giving money to women. I also discovered that at Entebbe, near Entebbe town, they were brick makers. When I checked their account, they had $1 billion on their account. Everybody who was arrested, those women were arrested, would be raped, ganga raped on camera, and their photos would be sent to a man in Australia. I can tell you, I can give you the details, how information from Miso. I started the Miso 10 years ago. I'm going to celebrate Miso, the 10 years of Miso. Then there was a girl called this woman, Ranga, my wife. I don't know why these people target my wife, but I think it was a question of intimidation. Nabokere, because there's the same guys. The people who were killing the women are the same people who were taking the organs. We are looking for people who can help us to market our dagara and peki. How can my wife say the peki? The woman gave me the number. What did I discover? That same number was used by Albert Cook, doctors. The same number was used by Rubaga people. The same number was used by Lugazi people, doctors. The same number was used by Chitovo Hospital. If you had space, I'm going because of the attack on my son. Because the ICC, the International Criminal Court, has taken serious moves to in this case of organs. Their first case on Zoom is going to be conducted on 6th April. I'm going to give you a voice of Professor Kanyerezi. I will not reveal the person he was talking to. But Kanyerezi left a list of doctors he was working with. Fika Salam were intended to cause accidents so that there was a Baina branch in Masaka Mudwari. These accidents were managed. Aba boda wagenda ngokulaba ngowa boda atomera okuli abantu abasatu. Stage managed. But wale abantu babajeke organs. I have all of the evidence. Kakati mbagamba. Attacking my family is not new. You remember when they tried to lynch my mother, was saved. My wife survived because the money claimed that they had studied together in the secondary school. My wife did not go to secondary school. And I picked that woman particularly because my mother comes from an Islamic family. Many, my grandfather who was a Muslim, because Nzija. My mother comes from a Muslim family, an Islamic family. But she grew up in a Christian family. Her father, though a Muslim, wanted her to know how to read and write. Eventually she became a Christian. Kakati mbabulira nembagamba
okulumba family yo si kintu kipya nnyo.
But whenever they attack my family, I have evidence. All my children are monitored. All my wives are monitored. That's why I come down and implicate General Kandi. When I implicate Kandi and another person I'm not revealed, I have evidence.
It is.
I can release their interviews, even if they tamper, have not checked with their telephone conversations. But even if you tamper, MISO has already taken the information. Even that camera where my son was battered, I retrieved using my technology. Namanya Bajabi, come to the police. I am an idiot. I cannot come to the police. Now, I have superior technology, which the police does not have.
Nikati muzei, bano bambimvuli, babasajja bimvuli. Ani abatuma okwogera ebyo. Because Eli's address is saying Kandiho is not responsible.
Why shouldn't Kandiho come up? I'm telling you. Who is responsible? Oh, you go. I went to his village to Betumuti, Chaduse. We shall kill him, whether Kandiho or not. I'm taking my son.
I received some pictures when you went to Gomba.
Yes. What Kandiho should do is to hide this man in his buttocks. But as a practice in Uganda, we kill the goonies. And I'm a rich man who cannot be compromised with the money.
I see.
Which money do you give me? In fact, if I need money, I will go to the president and tell him, Timuzukuru, yet Abana Museveni Yakura Abana Bafecheju. This morning, I went to the president's office. I was looking for something. The person I talked to people. The person I talked to is a female Munyankole. My sister, whom I am because I have a Munyankole woman, told me, let me rundi. Now I told who. I explained to her that I have a rebellion in my family. One of my wives is a DP. Most of my children are people power. But my wife, who is Polomo 7, this is his son, was battered.
And herself.
By a man protected by this woman, who is a Polomo 7, a Polomo 7ist, who contributes, who addresses rallies, has been targeted by the killers of women and the seekers of organs. How do you explain this to another man? To me, I can explain that we have a subterfuge, a government within a government.
Let me ask you. You're seeking to take your son to the United States.
Yes, because
for medication.
His thesis must be realigned.
I saw the jaw. The jaw is seriously fractured.
When you use this, the technology we have here, what is there? I have the air ticket, I have the welfare. What I need when you go to the American embassy, they will ask you which hospital.
Okay.
So I'm asking my allies, my friends, the friends of my. What pains me? What pains me is that he's scared. I don't think he'll ever come back to Uganda. If this young man received his treatment and the brain he has, I strongly doubt whether we will have the courage of coming back to Uganda. Maybe I will go after his recovery and convince him. This is what is pains me. Because when you read my book, I read a book who keeps Museveni in power in 2006. And I said, when my elder son, John Tamani Mirundi, was enrolled at Makerere University on government sponsorship to take a law, I was not happy. I wanted to take this young man abroad because I had the money. Our family is wealthy. Then, Lukwago and the man called Kawere came and convinced me. Lukwago, the mayor, we are related, close relatives.
The Kampala mayor.
Lukwago came and told me, yansangana ku Radio Simba. Mutani waffe, angambye. I don't know who told him to go to Lukwago. Mutani waffe angambye, omuganye okusoma amateeka. Nemuleke asoma amateeka. Era ewaffe, ewaka, I used to teach him, togenda kusala misango gya nkoko. I agreed because I wanted to live behind a politician. So when Tamale Junior came up, it does not mean have very brainy people. In fact, as a parent,
and he is also a brainy person.
I was concerned. Why? When I consider Tamale Junior, Junior suffered measles, and at one time was declared dead. I was a pauper at that time, didn't have money. I told my wife, let us take this kid to the village because we shall incur transport in carrying the dead body. As we are discussing, Junior came up on the bed and said, told me why he was suffering from. At one time, during his primary education, he could attend a few hours and then sleep. And at one time I was advised to take this young man to Kanimbi School. Nga akowa mangu, Tamale akowa mangu, Tamale gwasoma akowa mangu. Naye, my wife went to a doctor. And the doctor told her, my wife, it is kakubire baba jeje. The doctor told her, my wife, does your husband have money? Bala ina sente. Namugamba nti ayina entonotono. Namugamba olukusense lwayo kya mwana w'amawuggwe. Tasana na kuzanya na banna banne. Ali weak. Bwe bamusindika afa. What should we do? Namugamba ebyo bimu abaana bamwe mbubbata tebikola. Ngenda kuwa omwana wamwe eddagala buli lunaku emitwalo 5. I paid 50,000 for 6 months. Omwana wange n'addawo. That's why he's intelligent. The brain yali food. I look for this medical doctor. But now, I ask myself, at times, when I ask myself, decision making, the Baganda say, kagulu tunda, that any step you make, it takes the enemy, or it takes you, your friend. Kagulu tunda. When you hear Muganda talking about kagulu tunda, he's telling you that you made a mistake. Kagulu tunda. When I was still in the opposition, most of the people who were in opposition at that time, I was their master. They admired me, they worshipped me. Did I make a mistake to join this government? Because I paid people who are attacking my family members are not from the opposition.
Yes.
That's why I'm telling you that I'm scared. My son must go to the United States. This is where I can be secure. I don't want to London. We have friends in London. But I fear him to be used by our enemies. Akube Museveni, bamuyambise, bakole batya. No, me I was humiliated. Banku, ne banfudme State House. Basoka gamba, nabumye facility. Ate facility, yasoka ku neighbors. Mwana ngo tukoledde ekyo. Kwalize bampanga. Bampanga bankube. Bampanga banjoge. Bampanga bane ku mutwe. Bampanga banyale ku mutwe. At times when tukita meditation, did I make a mistake to join these people? Because this government is not explainable. The person who battered my son under the instruction of a general is guarded by military police. The mother of the Tamale is also guarded by
military police.
All of my residences at Izana, I have 6 armed policemen. Why? When they tried to assassinate me, I got them on the phone, and they had already arrived at my gate. Instead of arresting my would-be killers, government deployed the security. I'm moving with the UC vehicle. How can you explain this contradiction in Uganda?
Yes, we are also wondering. Yes. A person in UC, very vulnerable to attacks from the own people.
These people are saying, provoke him to leave government to join the opposition. Or use this man to publicize against the associates of government. This is why Kandifo, I will continue calling your name. Kill me, but I'm going to impose the sanction. You will never travel. Your accounts are going to be imposing of vitunzi. I will never forgive Kandaho. I cannot forgive. Me, I don't bother with this idiot. Yiga was influenced by Kandiho. Abaganda bagamba nti bukyolya nungu bukyolya nsujju uliddemu. Abaganda bagamba nti bukyolya omwana ayinza okulowooza nti kamula liwakyenvu takaawa. Me, I've avoided seeing that son of mine for 14 days. This is what my tradition, religion requires.
You never wanted to go there. I was also wondering why.
I not cut my hair. After 14 days, I saw him. I had an idiot talking that he's talking. But we shall incite the public to kill them. We shall kill you. Baganda, we have Fetina agreement. Chiganda chunacho very ambitious. Abali kasita bagenda bantu chitatu. Bantu chaso mutwe. Bantu chaso mutwe. For us Baganda, any goon who is used by a regime to kill Baganda, to humiliate Baganda, to touch judgment ya very clear. Kabuli. Yiga tujja mutta. Abaganda bajja kutayi. Tujja kinonye nakino kino mimwe.
Basajja mivule.
Kibasa tujja kinonye kyava omusebe n'ekikulira emmotoka. Gwe kyatunda ennyumba. Do you know that idiot we are related? Omanyi nti ekyo ekisejja tuli related?
Simanyi.
Kyatunda ettaka nekitunda wamu nakyo gwe nja ba nkusanga gwe. Olinyankako mu kika. Bekimwaki ekyo komanyoko. Babiwa sente. How much money? How much money can you use to support? My son was all they left him dead. Yiga, Kandifo. We shall pursue the matter to the International
Criminal Court.
In me, because this is a permanence, I doubt whether my son will speak properly. I have all the evidence. I have all their meetings captured. I know the amount of money here. Katulevi. Kanda ko Katulevi. Katulevi. Even if Museveni calls me, I will not settle down for any negotiated table. Even if Kandiko kills me, his children will suffer. This is what the Westerners don't know. I was explaining to one of my friends, and I said, Baganda families, before you marry in a family, you must be fearful of 3 things. Omutego. Omutego, I think it comes from the trap. Omutego. Once you commit an offense, like the one they have committed against me, I go to my shrine, to my traditional shrine. I just mention names. I just ask for the punishment. That family will perish. Omutego means that even your children, even your relatives, until the 3rd generation, your children will die, your grandchildren will die.
You mean it ends on the 3rd generation?
It ends on the 3rd generation. This is when you will have okutegula. Okutegula means that although we cannot recover what we lost, compensate us. Okutegula comes at abana bafa, mukazi wana bafa, nawe nofa, ne baganda bali bafa, ne bawala bye bafa, ne tuda ku 3rd generation. But the Westerners, the Banyankole don't know this thing. The Banyankole will say, Tekineshong, Chinesong, Chinesong. Even in now, anybody, if anybody kills me, when the Mutego has already been said, abana be bafa, mukazi we nafa, naye nafa, ne bazukulu be bafa, ne bazadde ne bafa, you compensate.
Kireta abasajja mivule mbita mukwatako. Kuba this is an issue when your son has been battered.
Basajja mivule muntu wa Gashumba, Gashumba muntu wa Kandiko. Kandiko must arrest this gun before I apply. Because I've stopped the mornings, it's now I want to put things in preparation. Anybody, before I set the Mutego, anybody who participated in this is where he declares his interest. I did this, I didn't do this. No way you get to work in the Kuwait Takula. A Muganda, when a Muganda is, you see, African gods are fair. Njogalo kubuli. Igatajja kusiga zabana. Kitawe nyina tabajja kubirawo. N'enkoko etakula. Ne message waabwe. Toyinza kuba mwana wange n'omute.
Omutego gukikwatiramu.
Jogo njakuli. Ate nze musinyo nyito bela ddunga ne kitambula n'abasirikale. Nagenze ne tukizinda ne kidduka ne kikuba amasimu. I receive you guys calls. The people you talk to on my satellite.
The pictures we are sent when you are with the villagers in Gomba.
Techina wechiko ati sabaddeyo.
Wabaddeyo na
kuzinda. Mwenyina wacho najja nayogera abana bange. Family yonna ina kugwawo. Mwe mwazaliwa neggwagwa. The whole family will be wiped out. Unless you come up, I don't want money. Apologize. I stuck a person. Apologize before you launch the second force. If you participated in the battling of my son, I've spent 14 days of mourning.
Now they are over.
4 days. I'm going to launch. Okay, the North Korean is launch. If you feel that you participated because they thought that you would be killed, me, I know them. I have all the evidence. I have extracted the evidence from the cameras. I have the technology. I have all the meetings, earlier meetings. The women who came, they were Kambalageko. Kambalageko. 4 days. 14 days are over. 4 days, which I'm counting from today. So whatever happens after the 4 days, I can even add in 4 days to make it 80. If Kandiho is not involved, I wish him well. If Kandiho hired a goon, he will be responsible in 2 ways. Because this son of mine, I'm an educated man, very influential in the international community, he will be blacklisted. At one time, he will pay.
I see.
Me, I'm not into that, because some people can say, somebody catches his wife with a man. No. I don't want this type of money. Waliwo muganda wange bangambi yabadampadde dola emitwalo 2 bazibye. That money was stolen, my brother. Waliwo yazibye ng'alowooza ajja ku me, I'm a very arrogant man. My brother, waliwo muganda wange yabadde awaddeyo emitwalo 2 oli ejja dola agimpadde ndabire omwana mukubidde amasimu mukoze ntya ate sijja kumwogera naye yakoze ensobi okuntuuza ewe. Mirundi is an arrogant man. Can I wait for 30 minutes? Me? No. I will go to the president. Museveni, I've done a lot for Museveni. And Museveni loves me. That's one I know. Because when you listen to these people, they say that Museveni gave me sophisticated equipment to track them down. That's why I abuse everybody. Anybody who comes to me and says, Kutwale wa Museveni, you are stupid. Nobody can take me to Museveni. Why? I worked with President Museveni for 14 years as his spokesperson. And Museveni had given a directive, gave Mirundi unfettered access to me. Kati njagala okukwata yakataka. No, you see.
Mzee njagala kumanya mbiwulira mu ngambo. I want to know. Ani ya proposing Kadaga okufuuka vice president? Who is because I know the president appoints a vice president.
No. These people think that after humiliating you, you go to them. Kadaga has been heading one of the pillars of the state. She cannot be vice president. Even me, after being a spokesperson of the president, I could not become an advisor. That's why I say it. I don't take their money.
But Mzee, second was speaker and became vice president.
Second is back.
How is Kadaga so special?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. In some cultures, your father used to have sex before you. If you get a bride, what? A bride. But people don't do these things these days. If second was a humble man who could accept anything, second did not start a tradition. Everybody who is sacked, who is done what, is humiliated. Me, I refused. I am not an advisor. The way I look at it is that Museveni sort of a channel through which I could get government facilities. I will never be an advisor. And that advisorism will be expanded from my records. I don't want to embarrass the president. I cannot be an advisor. Why? When I'm a spokesperson of the president, with instructions that give Mirundi unfettered access to me, all of the briefs I write go direct to him. How can I become an advisor?
When you answer
when I want to write to the president through the minister, impossible. I will never be. A general cannot be a platoon commander.
I see.
I will never work any mbo kana wakaseje nja kata
wati mzee
ni jefa mirundi ejopo kana katama kai njo bang waso mutu mirundi will never work and minister.
But mzee, I think vice presidency
will never work and minister.
Vice presidency
cannot work even under prime minister. What Mirundi can help you? Give Mirundi Media Limited. Mbakole Mirimu. I will never work under this government unless I'm directly answering to the president. Ntinze Mirundi. Kati mbandika wambai. Swere mpunu. Ntinze. I write to through the minister. Swere mpunu. So kakati mwemba kudi atemba gamba. Kada cannot. Irana chiwandika wambai.
Chemba dendoza mzee. The vice presidency is bigger than speakership. Kubanga eri executive.
Let me tell you. The Uganda's vice presidents, we have two types of vice presidents. We have the vice president for continuity, like this woman in Tanzania. They came on the same ballot. One completes them. This is what causes trouble in Nigeria. That Yaradua died when Goodluck. Goodluck said, yes, I completed this man's tenure, but this is my tenure. This just said no. In Malawi, Joyce Banda, the woman, and Wamtarika came on the same ballot. Uhuru and Ruto came on the same ballot. Unless you explain this one clearly, you're going to have problems. The Constitution of Uganda, unless it is amended, the vice president, they downplayed the vice presidents. Why? They were haunted by the past. That Vice President Mwanga overthrew Obote. That Obote put in a prison his vice president Nadiopi. So these people, in fact, I was talking to Kanyehamba. I told him, we need a new constitution in a different atmosphere. Because at that time, we are making a constitution in the shadows of the past. People thought the constitution Yankaka Musang. I say, one of the constitutions of Uganda, the 62 constitution, the 66 constitution, the 67 constitution, the 1995 constitution, they all have excellent bills of rights. A Ugandan will not remain in a prison for 24 hours. A Ugandan will not be tortured. Let me ask, have you ever seen the Constitutional Square is near CPS? Have you ever seen a constitution leading a demonstration of people like Ruchams and others who are excited to go to help it release a prisoner at CPS?
Of course, it's the people.
Constitution, you know, kubako na abajiwagira. Abantu banji bobalaba. Bagende wa administrative general. Why? Amarabe gabo baba kakwese. My dame is on the tape. And I've given it to different people. How will they connive?
Those who don't know each other.
Abasajja bedda bayina emizi. Taata wange ayina musanji we. Omusanji kitegeeza ti mwawasa wamu. Yamuteresa eddaame lye mirundi teyabulya mukazi we. Nti bammwe muno tamuwadde. Mirundi keputi the eddaame oli yagenda okujja nga si yali mu ddaame. Naye nga my mother is related to the husband
of the person who had the dam.
Yes. In my case, I knew it's me who told them where my father's dam was. I'm very unique. But I was not the successor. Mirundi gave out explanations. He met with the Bataka. Nibakugamba, Mirundi aina manyi, Mirundi bamanye Kampala. My father said, he was stupid. Mwamusinga Katonda yampa omwana wange ono omugezemezi. Oyo Mirundi wammwe oba mumwagala muwe obwemupi. I was listening in the house. My brother was away. Yali abeera bweru. N'agamba Mirundi nti n'ebyo bye mugamba ono yaggulira eddagala oli yamuweereza ssente. Kakati nkubuulira ti succession battles ze ziri mu Kadaga. Some people don't want Kadaga because what is the role of Parliament? Parliament, the role of Parliament is to legislate. But Kadaga has expanded the role of Parliament. Now, the Auditor General is going to submit COVID money the way it was stolen to Parliament. I told you that much of the money that was supposed to fight COVID was stolen. And this is why these primitive people are evolution. When they bought assets in America, in Europe, in Malaysia, Biden rang the king of Dubai, South Africa, alerting them, don't allow the change of ownership of Ugandan properties. A fool went to withdraw money in Europe, using this card, ATM card. It was swallowed. And the machine told him you are wanted and he ran away. Duachi. Tibano bali basiru. These people are fools. After
stealing money,
how do you
they ran to buy properties.
The question was, which country is this? Is it Bahrain? Is it Saudi Arabia? No. A banana republic called Uganda. How come that during this
trying time of COVID?
Yes, that's all of the properties were confiscated. They are here. Stupidity. Smiling. Video even the acquisition. Yakwatibwa. Ate tulinayo ne serious case ya organs. I've told you that the organic case is commencing on the 8th of April. People have been lined up. Very prominent Ugandans. Abanini. Kakati ebintu ebyo bwe tubigattagatta mu ggwanga lyaffe tufunamu ki? Nti Nankabirwa is a Kerakwena. Is the Queen of our time. Nankabirwa in Abamukozesa. Nankabirwa is a corpus. It has failed. Nankabirwa is a museum.
Are you serious?
Yes. Nankabirwa was killed by the voters, buried in Chiboga. But the museum attacks Parliament. What do you have in Parliament? I have evidence. I used to, you see, there was a time when we went to the United States to address Baganda conference. But these people in the government were cheating Museveni. Museveni used to pay for money, Kakoza, and I remember it was not in New York, it was in Newark. You could not tell the difference. New York and Newark. The Baganda organized their conference in Newark. The conference was attended by Petikamia, by Mulika, by Nankabirwa, and Kakoza. These are cheated Museveni. Bamu Banga. But Museveni had also directed me to go. And I had written a book, Museveni Byawadde Buganda. And I had worked closely with this Baganda in the United States. At one time, Nambos was supposed to be given a job, but they found out they had no qualification. When we arrived in Newark, found Makubu there, the Kabaka was there also at the opening. The Kabaka called me and came to Musawi. Said, Mirundi ngasi chakulaba. Sikulaba murubiri. In the tradition of Uganda, that would mean beheading me. I see. Nagamba Kabaka nafumbirwa. I'm married now. I'm in the government. Kakati during the debate, bali banganyi okwogera. Omuntu omu gwe nali nyambidde omwana we ogenda okusoma. Nabaga nti Mirundi ayogere. I changed the topic. Betty Kamya, Nankabirwa. Why do I talk about Nankabirwa? The president gave us money to take us to go attend that conference. Omuntu omu wesigenda kwogera sente ya Zibba. What she did was a woman. She hid at the Debe airport. Nizumunonya gayekwesi yete again. Do you know what it means going to Europe or America without money? Neze usually mbira ni sente zangu ngendo buze abantu ba State House buli nsi yetwagenda ngamu ne president I used to go with my money ngabayinza ko omukokoteno ogwadoleta bakubbe me I had my money. I'm a rich man, have arrived and afraid. Omuntu Museveni gwe yatuwa
okwata kasente
okujayo sente mu State House ya Zibba.
Temwazirabako.
When we arrived in USA, Newark, we did not have money. Nankabiru gave me $600. Nankabiru, to tell you how much money Nankabiru had taken. To tell you how much money. Twagenda kateka musazi. I don't remember. Katerega president yangama nti njagala katerega musazi. When I rang akakasajja ka New Vision yakafekete bagenda okutta. Ekanga sagala katerega musazi. Oyogera katerekani. Katerega ono kutubera nayo. Katerega musazi was. But I think he found his way. Nado nembuli ya president. Nankabira yampa $600. Nze avudde mu State House. Sente zange bazibye. Nakwatanga sente zange nze nina abagagga nina abaana nina baki. When I attack Nankabira, don't think Nankabira is a high mercenary. Nankabira tumutume. We Baganda we name names. Nankabira tumutume. Nankabira tumutume erinnya.
Tomwaliriwa.
Ono omukazi yava mu kikuli yajja wambi yakola bamuli bamucha.
Lakwena.
Nankabira yizira kwera. Nankabira yizira kwena. Bakuwangudde Nankabira kyatamanyi.
Oli yali mu Lakwena yali muyekera.
Nankabira mu mutumira kwena. Nankabira yizira kwena. Nankabira yizira kwena.
I see.
Nankabirwa he doesn't know the politics now. Wabadde awagira wayisolinge. Why do they want to change Kadaga? They want to change Kadaga because I told you tibagala okufuna sente okuwoza emisango egiba bayinako bagenda kubba nnyo kankubuulire. Mr. Mukhanizi. You have a number of Mukhanizi. Mr. Mukhanizi, where were you yesterday? Didn't you meet 2 people asking for money to facilitate their cases. What did you do? What did you say? Miso files. Bagala okuteeka buli wantu nkubuulidde olina essimu ya Mukahanizi. If you have the telephone number of Mukahanizi, ask Mukahanizi. I'm challenging Mukahanizi. Mukahanizi yesterday at Chigo, I saw Mukahanizi on my machines with the two people, younger men, who wanted to get money from him to facilitate their cases before the ICC. Mukahanizi stood up. No, I cannot do it. Whether you kill me, you kill me. Mukahanizi oye, Mukahanizi oye, Mukahanizi oye, Mukahanizi Jew, Mukahanizi Jew. I was watching at my home. Nandi kubima byange ndaba Mukahanizi. Mukahanizi told this man, the most arrogant man in Uganda, who is panicking, who has been implicated in killing, selling Uganda, trafficking humans. Kakati mbakamba, there is no problem. The problem is, why Abaganda tukuyita kutembeeta? Why should Nankabira kutembeeta? Nankabira neyumufiri lakwena. Nankabira besendera bakaba parliament nyingi. Nankabira unya. Nankabira yarake corpus. Action. Banango Nankabira tukwata omuzimu gwe. Tukuziike ekiboga. Abakwasi b'emizimu Nankabira omufu mulambo bamuwangula ekiboga mufu. Nankabira is supposed to be dead. Omuzimu bwakatulemera ku nsi banange tukwate omuzimu gwa Nankabirwa tukukwate.
Abakwasi b'emizimu,
yes, fe abakwasi b'emizimu Nankabira muzimu. Nankabira bamuwangula ekiboga ne bamuziika. Katukwate omuzimu gwa Nankabira tukukwate tukuwoke. Nankabira is a corpus. Nankabira we are defeated. With all the money, Nina ngena mukuba. Nankabira on the 2 days before the election, Nankabira was making telephone calls. Mumpaddeyo ku sente, bamukubye n'amatamage. Nankabira ate munupi. Naye omuntu bannange nedda bannankabirwa batulimba nti Baganda. I've researched Nankabira yasomerawo. Nankabira is a Nubian. Nankabira mukazi munubi.
Oli serious?
Yes.
Si Muganda.
Nankabira mukazi munubi. Mukubele muteka wali. But that's not an issue. A national man like me, I cannot be tribal, whether he's a Nubian or not. But my wound is, nti Abaganda ffe mutukoledde bubi, nti omuvubuka namukubanga agandi mbadde Nankabira 5 billion.
Yes.
Are you hunting a dog? Kakati finally. Nawandika akatabo kano. Okajjeko abantu bakakase. Okajjeko gundi yakuba abantu bakakase. Nti olunaku olwo nakawandiika.
Okawandiika nga 24 Oktoba 2018.
Nakatuuma ki? Taito yakatabo kano eriki?
The Mafia Panic.
Nabaga nti the mafias, you see. You see the title and the cover. I said the mafias are panicking. The mafia gang, which was called the fellowship, is split. I'm now supporting mwanange bintu bizibu. Kati nange mpagira abasajja abakulu bennakubanga. Kubanga nzo bategere bwe nakubye mafia negwawo. Nategere waliwo ajoga nnyo abantu. Waliwo abajoga afanda batabale afanda bakodemi basada. Ajoga nga bakodemi basada. Taya wala State House na makage nga bakodemi basada. Ajoga dana nga bakodemi basada. Buli kintu kyonna kikola nga bakodemi basada. Ajoga abaminisita nga bakodemi basada. Nga werekerwako wali tweye pusi. Kafana ne pusi. Katunule pusi. Kaleba ne pusi. Bakajje mu State House. Bakajje mu State House. Wakawulidde nga kaje. Wakawuliddeko.
Akawulidde.
Enyuma yonna nakagamba kasajja kuwandeera kayabise. Abaganda tukiyita kuyabika, Abaganda tukiyita kwenyaga, Abaganda kafulumye ng'ennyuma efuuwa malenge kaliddamu kuneregako abaana abo baliddamu kunerega katabani kakajijinka bene nkateeka wali nako kagenda bagenda kutemba ennyonyi bagenda kutemba abo abaana bagenda kutemba ennyonyi kakati nkugamba nti nze mirundi ndi musajja muwandiisi ba bitabo akatabo kano nakugamba Uganda and Ugenya after 2016 elections young and arrogant boys positioned themselves to succeed Yoweri Museveni. Their strategy to grab power relied on the following factor. They had control over the media in Uganda. They also had influence in the appointments of other districts. Kano katabani kakajiji kafulanka tumwebasa kajja kawunya oluwumu kali kavu nnyo ono atujja ogoona omuko namulabako ku ngatto nga ya Budulu yasoma ki bonna bajja mbasinza kano kawushagu kagende wa paike nga sokisi njirifu andaweya yalinamu kakulu byakale kasimika abyoloni. They had information balonda abo abasajja number 1 balondera Museveni bala DC 2 they had information prior to presidential appointments and therefore turned themselves into a de facto appointment uvuko n'entwe nokanti gwe kasajja gwe tayebwa otunda makerere kitaawo n'otunda tujja bukwata kana kusema bakaitani kuloke baitani tayebwa yo makere tujja mukwata kuloka nakala tujja kakwata wali wakala akaba sente tujja bukwata government yaba tutunda n'obujiko tujja obulabe tukate bunadukira nenkugamba immediately nkugamba therefore this Kakuni turned themselves into a de facto appointing authority. Bakaliso kuvumusho ng'ennyuma nikyenyagane kakuba entwasi. Immediately after seeing one of the name on the list of presidential appointments, they would call you for concessions. Using their influence in the media, they created negative stories against any individual whom they thought was comparative and not ready to subscribe their strategies. Bwe bukuyingirira nawandika akatabo kange aka byandala nembandika akatabo kange aka mbuga nembandika naye singa bukukubako mwe mutamanyi aka red paper lekankubako story ninda wali akayingira oboyereyo wenyeko bamutayimbo mu niko benyo niko basidi. These are not media institutions. These are mercenaries. You cannot publish a photo of my battery son. Katadego kandi kwata kubali you I only read haina buki dinimba kwata kugwe noja kumukolo kwa ngembuli. Uganda does not have journalists. Mandata Garcia. Red paper, these are mercenaries. Because their newspapers cannot break even. Mpandikako. Wempandikako. Nzije ku red paper. Mbalindi. Oh, yiramu. Bamutayimbwa nenkolekako. Babutambuza bigere nenka. Bamutayimbwa mulambo. Right about me and this. Kugamba. With this influence, erimu mawulire okunya ku bantu ku mitwe oba mawulire bo mercenaries. With this influence, once you were in their bad books, even if you called a press conference, tebajiddamu toyina kyofunayo conference, you want to get press coverage. In the process, they wielded power over who gets into government office or leave. Bono singa we don't have a media in Uganda. Akasajja kabugedde ne kakuba bujingo nalagira ne bakwata akasajja kabwe ne bakubira bera mukyakiri bakatiramu kulu byategeera this is not a media, this is national media.
They are both cook up stories.
Kankube kufirea tekakuba mwana nimba kwata kumwe kalinde bomu tayimbwa nga buyingira red paper. We don't have a media in Uganda. Bukwate kukwata kwata ka new vision ka funded zekashia. We shall build up. When a new government comes into power, tujja kuzimba media empya. See media. Uganda does not have a media. A media cannot be a mercenary media. They have not talked about overworlded paper. Kubango no kandika abuwase. Esrang. Bunimba kwata kumwe. Mujje munkubeko muddemu munkubeko. Nyingira unga nenka bomb tayimbwa nenka asomu. These are pamphlets. These are not newspapers. You don't have newspapers in Uganda, including the Monitor. These are nationalism. Nationalistic newspapers. They have no purpose. Kakati nkugamba. Even if you call a press conference, you want to get press coverage. In the process, they created, these mafias have created an entrenched and subterfuge, a government within a government. Surprisingly, their government is more entrenched and influential than Museveni's government. They have free and unlimited access to the president. Buno bujos. Paka yakagovye yona kali chani to yakone kama tegena mutoyi kazene biwa kumunso. Kati kankubuzi. Okumenya ababa muri basiru. The way they write on Segiri, Segiri is a gonna kiss. Ogena mukolmera ko akabuke daka kasejja kasumanga ebyolungu kumuyambi eki. Segirinya is facing a 7-year jail. Uttering a false document. Balawoza mbu after swearing in, Segirinya cannot swear in. Is he constitutional in parliament? Kaino lugongo ako kakulubya awungo otegeera tisegirinya inaba mwagira mu government. You are stupid. Why didn't you help Segirinya to rig? Why didn't you help Segirinya to fabricate
papers?
Akabuke kakulubya n'entwe yako omusango guyambye Segirinya. When you hide and you are not served, how can you fail? You can serve a name of peace through the speaker's office.
I see.
It's stupid. The most stupid editor, stupid editor, the most stupid cartoonist is mnemonic. Yagama Mirundi put under the bed under the bus. How can you put me under the bus when I'm not traveling in a bus? Kakati nkoboli Segirinya laba mu mwandikako. Segirinya wabo. The government yagala ba Segirinya. But Segirinya mbuyekwese n'okumutwala government yekikola. Mbuyekweka bali mu survey. Segirinya is unconstitutional in parliament. Nibwalayira okubeera tasoma, even if Segirinya ne bwana abeere luzira n'asoma bajja muga you uttered okujjako nga biri abikoze eki you uttered a false document myaka 7 mwagale kimuge kasajja gwa kulubya n'olugongo olwo ne bono yagala Segirinya nabana bali mu government. Segirinya tebasobola muwonya. Segirinya versus ki Segirinya ebiwandiko bibya waayo kavuma yaleeta ebyobusiru n'alulinga mbo. If it does not matter, oba ebiwandiko si byange bulingi the owner nga yagala okunya kakoza noweerya ntondi erinnya lyeri mutagubya muganda bwe naafa negira ku biwandiko bya muganda. Kakati abaana ne banga ati weeku ssente naliyo ne head yes waliyo head prefect on which the documents wayingira kumbaga ngo yingirire ku kadi yani kana kasajja kabukedde n'obwani obwa red paper tebubimanyi. Segirinya will face a 7-year term for uttering a false document. Segirinya ayina mukazi we Boston yamuwa sente yakwata $5 nagiwa Nuupu aba Nuupu ne balya sente bayisanga mu buyisa ne mbagamba nti you people tumukunde will force you in a general election after the general election. I read my book.
I see.
Kakati nkugamba nti Musisi's decision kyekyakataka. Musisi poses a serious threat to mafia. Nabagamba. I stated in my earlier submission that whatever decision the president makes, Musisi is the winner. Imagine a scenario of a housemaid accusing the master of the house for being responsible for a pregnancy. If the man becomes frightened to the extent of asking the girl to count the days of her monthly periods, then the girl has won. If the man is innocent, there shouldn't be a reason for retracing the monthly period of the house girl. What for if the man never had sex with the girl? At such a stage, the dispute ogambye omwana omuwala tubale emyezi kitegeeza omwebakako wamukozesa kati situation ejja paternity woba sewowo nti yayendanga ne ku balala kati oli musiro nkugamba. At such a stage, the dispute can perhaps be strong along the paternity of the unborn child, but the facts would be clear that the head of the family stooped too low and slept with the housemaid. This means if Museveni accepts Musisi's resignation letter, then he must admit that the Musisi he has constantly praised for having done wonders in Kampala city is not the one who has resigned. Ukitegedde? Gwe yawana ngataliza eringate nakkiriza agende. Nakugamba.
If I had 100 Musisis.
In normal circumstances, the Musisi that Museveni praised to have 100 Musisis, to the extent of asking God to give him 100 Musisis, should be heading for a bigger assignment and perhaps the Ministry of Local Government, not to resign.
Kitegedde. Bwabanga amwana nti ankoledde singa nyina yabalala 10 yali badde talizayininga.
Museveni tayinza kukiza musiku resigninga.
Amuwa mu ministry bwaki bwa government zebitu.
Bwakiriza nti Musisi asobola muwaayo. Then siye musiku yawananga. Fwe tukubalira ku logic nkugamba nti unlike many Ugandans who are taken by political titles, Rebecca Kadaga kale wulira. Rebecca Kadaga, Tamale Mirundi, the author, and Jennifer Musisi understand very well the difference between propaganda titles and status and financial benefits. Therefore, Musisi, Tamale Mirundi Kadaga cannot accept the propaganda titles even if there was a big salary attached. Alternatively, if Museveni declines Musisi's resignation, she is going to fight to be independent at the disappointment with the mafia gang who are sacking Kampala. Musisi's decision of resigning exposes the mafia. If Musisi, who earns more than 40 million shillings a month, can resign in order to protect her name and perhaps her family in the post-Museveni era, what message is she sending to the population? after 7 years at the helm of leadership of KCC, Moses seems to protest the practice of a dog that viciously protests its master from enemies, at times surviving with injuries. Nekugamba, government must stop the practice of humiliating officials who have delivered committed and dedicated service to Uganda. Ugandans have realized that the victims are usually honest people who deserve recognition and praise. This is the reason why, much as Ibrahim Kitata has been humiliated and many Ugandans have condemned him as expected, one would ask, is it a new regime or one that Kitata's devoted himself? The state of affairs in the country today puts the NRM government in an awkward situation. If the image of government is what they wish to protect, then the strategy that is being employed is wrong. If it was a new government in power, Ugandans would wholesomely support this strategy. Kakati mbagamba toyinza kukwata Kitata nga gavumenti yiyo abadde
asavinga tennavaawo
kwegamba olumala omujuuko ne bamusuulayo mirundi mulalu Mbabazi naye mulalu Kayihura naye mulalu Besigye ne kakati this government tesobola Kadaga. If Kadaga is humiliated, it will lead to the split of NRM.
I see.
Abantu bakuwoye mirundi mutamivu Mbabazi gundi mulalu
Kayihura yakola bwati
Kayihura mulalu ng'akuteredde omubiri Museveni takyalina kyasobola kuwangula ku bantu aleke Kadaga. And in my opinion, me I know is not Museveni. Tugenze ekyankwana Rakwena Nankabira oli waayita muyite Rakwena Nankabira omunubbi Nankabira tabeeranga ku Muganda ayipolovoko Nankabira ayogera Obuganda bw'obwembogo mukubira w'obunubbi
mpulira
mukuba obunubbi mumaze omusa omuge
mpulira
Nankabira alina omulenzi gwakolera 5 billion natweregako alina amatama galinga agamizembe. Leave Kadaga alone. Leave Kadaga alone. Leave Kadaga alone. When I predict 10 things, I see it. Have you ever seen Chibongo in a non-campaign period making any noise?
No.
In the government, I know we have two formidable groups. Yabana gatta abantu mujjukira nti bayogeranga tuwandika abaana bagenda ebweru kulina ne wa minisita Nankabirwa. Nankabirwa yali ba mu kitereke ekigenda ebweru. Nankabirwa kakkanako. Nankabirwa nja banku mawulire wudda. Nankabirwa mutubuulire. ICC ogenda giwulira wa. Is starting. Bagendanga ne bagamba tubawandikira didn't Nankabirwa right people who had a company at Nankabirwa's place. Gola tivira amaso tasenyako gola tivira Nankabirwa tasenyako gola Nankabirwa ngenda banku abye. We want peace, we want freedom, we want work. Era ngene nemba ulira. Bobi wayini adusi. Bobi wayini sayina bantu. What did Bobi Wine to do? Bobi Wine yemu ku family engagga mu Uganda. Yes, bafeza abantu. Nabadde ngende Muduuma emaddu. Nensanga ekyo akabuga. Tyakoko nakazako. Yes. Bobi Wine yagaggawadde. Family yaabwe engagga. Tagenda kola chaos. Atumukubirako mu ngalo. Leko ogamba otya. Abalokole bayinza batya okuvuma omusamize. Lwaki wayingidde obulokole? If Bobi Wine is not going to cause chaos, era talina bantu, era Museveni abawe ssente bakandiko. No. We are not going to have chaos. Bobi Wine knows ekyasuula Besigye. Mu Uganda ababadde bakola akavuyo ba State House. Ssente bakandiko bebadde baziteeka mu bantu. Abantu ne beekalakaasa. Otherwise, omuntu wa Uganda abaana bemulaba abayaayi tebasobola kwekalakasa nga tebalina ke balese waka.
Kituufu.
Kasa gavumenti sente babadde bazibba mu gavumenti. Don't expect upheavals. Don't expect nti abantu bajja. I talk to Bobi Wine ne mugamba nti kuba olowooza nti abantu bajja gaana okukola ng'ogenda ku leediyo ebyo bifu bajja kukyawa. Abantu ba Uganda babeera mu butale babeera luddawa okujjako bakandiko abafuna sente ez'obweru ne bajinga ne badde naye ekyabakubiza omwana wange abaziba bagamba nti okateera mandwa nti nyini esesa akayo kaliba kaliijo okuba emandwa noga nti nyini aziza mu ngoye kanda kajja kumpuliramu kanda kajja kunsitula kanda kajja kumpuliramu kandako neyika bajja kumpuliramu because this kandako take me to court. I will give court all the evidence, the conversation, the movement, nature, ne kamera ezira we bamukubira mu legenga bamuse. I have